comes to Lihleza, bro, one is not fair for us to say Mdala and then why is he doing songs like that? He's got a family to feed. And the first time he performed that song,
And a community to destroy.
Hold on.
Yeah.
The first time he performed that
Feed
song.
your family while the community gets destroyed.
Hold on.
Like a drug dealer. He's also got a family to feed. I hear you.
Right? It's not as if he's selling Yawupe out there. He makes music and the first time...
doing worse than
Hold
Yawupe.
on. The first time he performed that song...
And Yawupe doesn't create teenage pregnancies.
The first time he performed, he was not even performing, he was emceeing, he was freestyling for a younger crowd. It's the younger crowd that took that song and made it famous, and he had to monetize because he has a family to feed. You get what I'm saying? So,
get it, but no.
Mdala uzama ukuthi angasebenzi angasaphanti because ayenze kanjani ngoba nobaba wakho usemsebenzini nathi sisemsebenzini sisebenzela ingane zethu. Lihlezi phambili ma-Afrika.
Okay, look, he had Mshove, right? When he started.
Right.
It's also trash song, right? But where's it now?
No, to look at the numbers.
No, I'm saying, where's it now?
I get the fact that you don't agree with him.
No, I'm saying he's continuing. Dog, Uchabu did not make another Sister Bettina. In fact, okay, he didn't live long enough. But Sister Bettina, that trash song is still what it is to this day. You understand what I'm saying? You don't need to continue making that nonsense. You can actually grow as an artist. You can actually develop if you want to be great. He doesn't want to be great. He just wants to trend. And that's my thing, is that feeding your family can't be everything, bro. Because if you're feeding your family but poisoning the entire community, then what is the point of feeding that family? Because you're feeding that family and they're going to go out into a world with poisoned people, and those same people that you poisoned are going to abuse that same family. You won't be able to protect your family from the poison that you've spewed out there in your lyrics. I mean, just look at what they're doing.
That's exactly where my question is coming from. People are, you're saying that people are surviving essentially. They're doing the right thing to survive.
I don't think they're doing the right thing to survive. I think that they're doing the easiest thing to survive. And I think that survival is longer than next week or next month or next summer or next season. You know what I mean? I think you want to find artists that are determined to become evergreens. You know what I mean? He was speaking about Omire Makeba and all of those people, right? Most of them are no longer with us, but their music still touches us. And it's wholesome stuff. It makes us feel good about ourselves. You know what I mean? We're black people. We mustn't forget that. We come from oppression and repression. We come from a culture where our traditions were bastardized. Our religion was called witchcraft. All of these types of things. You know what I mean? So we can't be reckless with how we represent ourselves or how we allow the world to see us. You know what I mean? And the kids are growing up into the model and trying to emulate what they think that the world wants to see. And so if Lihleza is successful, saying nigga, 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 kekelake, where's the consent in that? I'm just saying. You know, the Purple Gang, they're not saying anything about that, right? Like, what are we talking about?
You really want people to go purple on Lihleza for that shit?
No. I'm not saying
that. Next topic, Lihleza phambili ma-Afrika.
No. But, yeah.